Today's video is about a very basic problem a lot of junior designers face, which is how to create a theme from your design. So if you are designing a single landing page, a single website page, it's easier. When you try to create more pages from that same design, it is very difficult to control. So a lot of newbies or junior designers or even mid-career designers, they struggle with this. So today I'm going to share with you some of my tips that I use and how you can create a coherent design for a website. We also created a design system for this website, which I'm going to just share some of the bits. But right now I'm going to share how we do it and how you can do it too. So this is a website for an AI, when grade AI legal, that actually works for legal companies in Netherlands. So let's zoom into one of the design and I'm going to share with you some of the tips. So this is basically an animation. Let's view this one. First part is that your header and your footer, they should be same or similar on all different pages. This is one thing. So this is going to have an impact of a theme for your whole page. Second, okay, now second is the spacing. So if you can see, the spacing is consistent at 40 at the top for this one, and also for this I have 40 over here, and between sections I have different spaces, that is also consistent. So this is second thing, which is spacings, consistent spacing. First is um, your header and your footer, they should be the same. Second is your spacing. Third is your color. So if you have assigned a specific color to something like this button, the sizing and the color, they are going to stay same everywhere whenever you are going to use the button. So you can see over here I have another button, here I have another button. They are using the same color scheme. Similarly, these are the treatments of the links over here. They have the same color across my whole design. So specific colors for specific purpose. Okay, so this is three. Now let's go to the fourth one. Fourth is the overall feel and typography of this design. So this is going to be like, this is for heading, this is for subheading. So I have specified different typefaces for these. So once you have allocated typefaces for these, you are going to use them similar across all your headings and your paragraphs or your text copy for your whole website. Fifth one is backgrounds and background things, like over here, like you can see over here, I have some grid mesh with some light, is entanglement kind of views. So these are the same repeating patterns on my design. So you can call them repeating patterns in general. So these are the 5 tips you can follow, and you can create a whole design system. Like you can see, this is basically a about us page. No, this is legal page. You can see here we have different sections. Here another section, here another section which is reviews. Here is the same bottom call to action. Let's see more pages over here. So you can see over here we have another one which is legal page. How it works is the same. You can see this is actually another one for the table, comparison table. This is the blog post page. So let me show you. I really love this one. This is a really great design for a page. Let's see if I can, yes, zoom over here. So this is another one. You can see this is how it will move when shown to the users. Impact, case studies, more case studies. You can click over here. Let's create the big next project together, and this is the footer. So this is how you create a full website. You can see over here I have animations, I have images, I have inspiration designs, I have design system and components. I can show you some of the design system over here. You can see These are all the colors that have been used for this dark design system spacing units. Here again we have color, primitive colors, and then we have these are the main colors. EB Coherent is the main typeface, and Instrument Sans is the other one. This is our style guide for our text styles. You can see over here body, button, normal, and all those different typefaces and styles. So we have three headings: normal, large, small, extra small, and different treatment for the buttons. So this is how you create a whole small design system and a whole theme for your website. So if you are a website designer like me, you have to keep these in your mind. So this is how you create a very well balanced website design in Figma. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow designers. I will meet you in another video. Make sure you subscribe my channel, because most of the people I have seen, they are not subscribers. So make sure you subscribe if you have learned something from this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.